New question?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, my question is for the Minister of Community Safety and Correctional Services. Minister, every day correctional officers across Ontario work hard to keep our communities safe, and for that we are all very grateful. Theirs is a difficult job, and we thank them for their tireless efforts and dedication. That's why I was proud to bring forward my private member's bill to establish an annual Correctional Services Staff Recognition Week so that every Ontarian can recognize the hard work and dedication of correctional staff in our province. But as we pay tribute to those who keep our communities safe, it is important that we also work hard to keep our institutions safe. Mr. Speaker, my riding of Halton is home to the Maplehurst Correctional Complex and the Vanier Centre for Women, and I often hear from my community members about the need to improve safety at these institutions and others across the province. So, would the Minister please update this legislature on what he is doing to make our institutions safer?
Thank you. Minister of Community Safety and Correctional Services.
Thank you very much, Speaker, and I want to thank the member from Halton for the important question and for introducing Bill 116, the Correctional Services Staff Recognition Week. Speaker, our government very much supports the bill and hopes that it passes soon. Speaker, we are working hard to transform corrections to create a system that truly enhances rehabilitation and reintegration programs, strengthens inmate mental health supports, promotes diversion and community programs, and enhances staffing levels and institutional safety. Last week, Speaker, I was joined by with the member from Halton, along with Monty Wieselmeyer and Tammy Carson from OPSU, and I made an important announcement that would enhance staff and institutional safety by investing $9.5 million to install full-body X-ray scanners in all of our correctional facilities over 2 years. Speaker, it is expected that a body X-ray scanner will be installed at Maplehurst Correctional Complex in 2016 and 17, and the Vanier Centre for Women in 2017 and 18.
Thank you. Supplementary.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and thank you to the Minister for his great work. I was pleased to join the Minister last week to announce the new body X-ray scanners that will help keep our institutions safe. I am glad that the Minister will be taking the next step to transform our correctional system and help build stronger and safer communities across our province. I know that many of Ontario's correctional officers have been calling for these devices, and I know the Minister worked closely with them on this important safety improvement. But, Mr. Speaker, Ontarians know that installing X-ray body scanners in all of our correctional institutions is only one part of the transformation of our correctional system in Ontario. To make our communities safer, we need to hire more correctional officers, offer more training, offer more mental health supports, and better rehabilitation for inmates. So, Mr. Speaker, through you, will the Minister please explain what he is doing to implement these important changes?
Thank you. Minister.
Thank you, Speaker. The member from Halton is absolutely right. X-ray body scanners are a key pillar for transformation of corrections. But, Speaker, we are also hard at work on a number of other elements to transform our correctional system and make our community safer. Recently, we announced the training of 24 new correctional officers for institutions in the north to further increase staffing levels in the province's northern correctional facilities, which is part of our plan to hire 2,000 new correctional officers over the next 3 years. Speaker, we have also worked closely with the Centre for Addictions and Mental Health to develop additional mental health training for those who work in our institutions and have added 32 new mental health nurses to our facilities and are continuing to hire more. Speaker, we will also be bringing forward more programming to enhance rehabilitation and reintegration. Speaker, these are all transformative changes and they will not happen overnight, but we are committed to working with our partners to transform corrections to build stronger and safer communities across Ontario, and I welcome ideas from all members in this House to make that work happen. Thank you.